Hey everybody, Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Happy Tuesday. We're on bitcoinmagazine.com today and we're discussing 2020 and beyond, which encompasses Bitcoin's potential for protocol upgrades. We will be taking a look at taproot schnorr and what that means on bitcoinexchangeguide.com. That subject ties into Litecoin, whose developers say that Litecoin could soft fork to activate taproot schnorr on same timeline as Bitcoin. If you don't know what any of this means, don't worry, we'll be getting into it in just a second. We're covering crypto.com as well. That is in the news, and they have an update that they've been discussing on the blog.crypto.com. And we'll also alert you to a 25% Bitcoin discount, which is something that crypto.com is offering. At the end of this video, of course, we'll also be providing information as to how you can enroll in our competition, our giveaway for this week's CryptoTag Zeus starter kit that is happening on January 25th, this Saturday. However, before all that, let's take a quick look at the markets here on coinmarketcap.com. We're basically flat, more or less, with a couple of exceptions, $238.4 billion. As you can see, Bitcoin is down 0.3, let's call it, percent at $8,632 currently on the day. But there are a couple of exceptions here. A few altcoins are up 1 or 2%. Bitcoin SV continuing to defy the odds, up 14.26% since yesterday at $311.70 currently. Bitcoin dominance as of right now is 65.8%. We're here now on bitcoinmagazine.com, and it's actually been 2 years, over 2 years in fact, since August 2017, since we've not seen soft or hard fork protocol upgrades that have been deployed on the Bitcoin network. And that is actually the longest stretch that we've ever seen without consensus forks so far. But some are saying that could change and that 2020 could be the year that Bitcoin protocols are introduced. And here's one of them that, if you haven't heard about, we'll describe and we'll let you know what the significance of these changes will represent. Schnorr, taproot, TapScript. So Schnorr signatures are considered by many cryptographers to be the best of the cryptographic signatures in the field. They offer a strong level of correctness, do not suffer from malleability, and are relatively fast to verify, and perhaps most interestingly, allow for math to be performed with them. To name one concrete benefit for Bitcoin, well, several signatures can be aggregated into a single signature, which could, for example, economically incentivize privacy-enhancing coin-join transactions. And people have been working behind the scenes for a while now trying to add Schnorr signatures to the Bitcoin protocol. They're going to be proposed as part of a bigger soft fork protocol upgrade called Taproot, which is a proposal by Bitcoin core contributor Gregory Maxwell, which was itself inspired by an older proposal called MAST, which stands for Merkleized Abstract Syntax Tree. So Taproot is also going to come out with an updated version of Bitcoin's programming language known as Script. That new version will be called TapScript. This would make it easier to add new features known as OP codes to Bitcoin's programming language later on. And for the time being, Taproot does not appear to be very contentious. More or less, it's getting collective approval all around. However, developers are still discussing implementation details, as with anything, as you can imagine. We're going to move on in just a sec to how taproot schnorr relates to Litecoin. However, it's first worth mentioning that there are some other protocol proposals that are in the pipeline for 2020 potentially. You can read about them here. We'll link to this article in the description below. The Great Consensus Cleanup, the Noin-Put class, OP check template verify, and finally drive chain BIPs. However, let's check out this piece now on bitcoinexchangeguide.com. Litecoin developers say Litecoin could soft fork to activate taproot schnorr on same timeline as Bitcoin. Here's the context. On January 19th, just a couple of days ago, there was a Reddit user who was very curious about how cryptocurrencies are developing from a technological point of view. Well, they asked if blockchain Silver Network is going to go through a schnorr taproot upgrade, and the Litecoin developer responded with this. Personally, I don't think there will be any issues with Bitcoin activating taproot schnorr. We will likely activate taproot schnorr at a similar time. And again, this was in direct response to this question. Do you think Litecoin could be implementing taproot schnorr before Bitcoin? Losh11, who is another user who may be the Litecoin developer Loshan T, decided to answer him by saying neither Bitcoin nor Litecoin have any business to implement this type of upgrade. Lucas Nusi thinks the upgrade may be a soft fork for the Bitcoin network this year. But in the end, the taproot schnorr upgrade would potentially change the transaction mechanism of signing into the Litecoin network and the way it's taking place, allowing multi-signature options to be developed. And that same upgrade is sure to be complementary with the Mimblewimble protocol protocol implementation into the same network. It can be used to hide transaction data and to make things more confidential in the blockchain, which, don't forget, is the direction that Charlie Lee has hinted at Litecoin potentially moving in. You can read more about Litecoin's potential soft fork here on U.Today and whether it's going to happen at a similar time as Bitcoin or not. Some developers seem to be suggesting that it may. You can also check out Litecoin's price prediction models here on fxstreet.com. Litecoin price analysis. Litecoin bulls are not ready to regain initiative just yet. You can also check out this piece on U.Today, which asks the question whether Litecoin may soft fork and whether that will likely happen at a similar time as Bitcoin, based on what certain developers are saying. And then here on fxstreet.com, you have a Litecoin price analysis, which at the top level suggests that Litecoin bulls are not yet ready to regain initiative. However, that is coming soon. Exciting update now from our friends over at crypto.com. Make sure you're following at crypto.com on Twitter. App update. EU and UK address verification is now open. European customers are now invited to complete their card application process. We're talking about the MCO Visa Card, and more information can be found on blog.crypto.com. The supported countries now include the UK, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Netherlands, Switzerland, Romania, Sweden, Belgium, Austria, Finland, Poland, Denmark, Norway, Portugal, the Czech Republic, Slovenia, Croatia, Bulgaria, Ireland, Lithuania, Latvia, Hungary, Slovakia, Greece, Estonia, Cyprus, Malta, Luxembourg, and Iceland. Users can now log into their crypto.com app to confirm the preferred card, upload a valid ID document, and complete the address verification before the card shipping begins. And on altcoinbuzz.io, we're also featuring a 25% Bitcoin discount courtesy of crypto.com. More exciting weekly events will soon be available for CRO stakers. Article here by Deepika. In a nutshell, crypto.com has been on a roll lately. After they successfully launched the Syndicate, which is a fundraising platform, the exchange is gearing up for new offers. And on February 4th, which is coming up, crypto.com premieres the Syndicate Lite for its weekly events. And the first sale event offers CRO stakers Bitcoin at a 25% discount. You may recall that previously the EOS and XLM listing events on the Syndicate proved to be quite successful, which is why Crypto.com is now allocating Bitcoin worth $200,000 at 25% off to all CRO stakers. So here are the details here. Just very quickly, the event begins at 6 a.m. on the 4th of February. The Bitcoin sale begins at 6 a.m. on the 4th of February, and the sale ends on the 5th of February, 2020, of course. The total allocation, as I mentioned, is $200,000 worth of Bitcoin, and the discount is 25%. To learn more information about how you can avail yourself of that discount, well, check out the rest of Deepika's article to learn about how you can participate. But that about wraps it up for today, everybody. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io for all the latest. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell, of course, to receive notifications. Don't forget that this Saturday, January 25th, we will be giving away another CryptoTag Zeus starter kit. All you have to do to enter that competition is make sure you're subscribed on YouTube to Altcoin Buzz. Make sure you like all videos between this upcoming giveaway and the last, and make sure you comment on a video, as many as possible, really, because we select first a video at random and then a comment at random, which corresponds to a winner. You may as well throw your hat into the running. Have a great Tuesday, everybody, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.